When your operation has its own aircraft, sometimes the only thing keeping you from flying your next trip is a crew to get you in the air. This is where JetPro Pilots can help. Our JetPro Trip service offers temporary crewing on a trip-by-trip basis. We handle all the screening and provide professionally trained and vetted crews, including pilots, flight attendants, and maintenance technicians, tracking currency, handling payroll, expense reporting, tax withholdings, unemployment, and workers' comp insurance. And based on your aircraft, we find the right crew for you. At JetPro Pilots, business aviation staffing is all we do. We hire experienced, captain-qualified pilots, and it shows. Our average pilot has 8,000 plus hours of total airtime and over 4 type ratings in today's most common business aircraft models. With thousands of pilots in our system, located all across the country, trained in over 60 aircraft types and models, whatever business aircraft you operate, our pilots are typed, current, and ready to fly. So when you have a trip you need crewed, reach out to us. We are standing by offering 24/7 service for those last-minute trips. We will present crew member options for your approval. In addition to checking that our crew meets the overall pertinent FAA regulations, we will also work closely with you to coordinate the requirements that are specific to your operation, including screening based on your background check requirements, your internal SOPs, and your operations insurance requirements. Once the trip is complete and the mission is accomplished, we will pay the crew immediately, reimburse their expenses, and consolidate everything into a single invoice for you with full transparency. We do all of this because integrity matters. We do our due diligence and live by our checklists, just like our pilots. Which makes sense, considering our founders are pilots themselves. With over 100 combined years of experience and over 30,000 turbine hours as PIC, with experience in business, commercial, private, and military aviation sectors. So when you're looking to crew, trust the company built by pilots, specifically with business aviation staffing in mind. We're standing by to service your needs, become an extension of your operation, and help make life easier.
Juliet Echo Tango Papa Romeo Oscar, Papa India Lima Oscar Tango Sierra.
JetPro Pilots. Your trip, our crew, ready when you are. Contact us today.